Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. President's Day is here and shoppers are looking for all the best deals. But while offering discount is great, you don't want them to cut too deep. In this video, I will show you how to create a President's Day sale in Shopify with a cap discount like 40% off up to $200. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app, which is available in the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it and follow along. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. And choose the discount type as your discount code. Add any discount code. For now, I'm adding it as 30% off 40 and a cap amount of 200. So this cap amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 200. Even though the 40% of the cart value is higher than 200, our cap amount makes sure that maximum discount amount will be 200. And you can also apply the discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it from here. For now, I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement. And you can also set some customer eligibility, like all the customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order customer, like that. I'm opting the first one. And you can also limit the number of time the discount can be used in total. Like, so if 100 here means this code will be available for the 100 first customers. And you can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. And you can just set some active dates like the start date and start time, end date and end time through which this discount is active. Like if you need to run this code for 10 days or a 1 week or a month, then you can check or configure those dates from here. And you can also combine this code with the existing codes like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. So after adding all these details, you can save it. Now I am checking whether my code has been activated. Now you can see from the discount section that the code 40% off has been activated. Now let's test this in our online store. So I'm adding a product offer 234 to the cart now. I'm applying my code 40% off. Now you can see that the 40% of the product cart value has been applied successfully. And let's test with some other product having a higher value product like 5,000. Yeah, let's go for this product. I'm adding this product to the cart. Now I'm applying my code. Now you can see that we know the 5,000 is the MRP, and while applying 40% on 5,000, the amount will go beyond 200. But this customer has received only maximum of the cap amount, which is 200 as the discount price. So this is the cap amount works, like even though the cart value or the 40% of this value is higher than 200, this cap amount which we have set while creation ensures that the maximum discount will be only 200. So that's how you create a President's Day sale with 40% off up to $200 in your Shopify. So what you are waiting for, just grab the link from the description and try this in your store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment to this channel. Thanks for watching.